How to personalize your YouTube app home screen 2021. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now firstly what you have to do is you have to firstly scroll down to the bottom of this page. You can scroll to the most bottom of this page that you want to remove recommendation from. So you have to firstly click on the three dots, and then you can see the option don't recommend channel. So you have to click on the don't recommend channel, and it is you can't see the videos from this channel. You can't no longer see the videos from this channel on your home page. So you can simply do this process with all these apps that you want to don't recommend. So firstly you have to click on the three dots in the top right in of this post, and then click on the don't recommend channel. And if you type this, then YouTube don't recommend this channel into your home page. So you have to do this process with all these videos. So firstly click on the three dots and then click on the don't recommend channel. You have to do this with all the videos, that unwanted videos or channel that you don't want to watch in the home page. And then what you have to do is you have to go to your home page, and then you have to refresh the page, and then you can see all these again this all these recent all these videos. So that's basically all these recommendations. So if you found this video helpful, so here you can see how you can personalize your YouTube app home screen. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.